Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the tools that make your work smarter, cleaner, and easier. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best paper shear on the market, the Fiskars Precision Paper Trimmer. Right off the bat, you'll notice its sleek and functional design. This is not just another office tool. It's a carefully engineered trimmer built for crafters, teachers, scrapbookers, and anyone who wants perfect, straight cuts every time. It features sure-cut technology, a stainless steel wire that shows exactly where the blade will cut. This means no guesswork, no surprises, and no crooked edges. That wire guide alone sets it apart from the average trimmer. Now let's talk about what makes it precise beyond the cut line, the triple track system. This feature interlocks the blade and the rail to prevent any wobbly cuts. If you've ever used a cheap trimmer, you know how frustrating it is when the blade slips and gives you curved or jagged edges. With this, the cuts are smooth, firm, and controlled whether you're trimming cardstock, crafting paper, or photo prints. Switching the blade is incredibly easy. The trimmer arm is 6 mm thick and extends up to 15.6 inches, giving you enough range to work on larger pieces without sacrificing accuracy. This size makes it ideal for both home offices and crafting tables. Whether you're making greeting cards or trimming classroom materials, this trimmer adapts to the project. Comfort hasn't been overlooked. The high-profile blade carriage makes gripping and pushing the blade much easier than low-profile alternatives. It feels good in the hand, offers better control, and reduces fatigue during long crafting sessions. Portability is another area where the Fiskars trimmer shines. It's lightweight enough to carry from room to room or bring to crafting events, yet its rubberized feet give it a solid grip on any surface. You won't have to worry about it sliding around while you work, and it protects your table from scratches. Everything about this tool is engineered with precision and usability in mind. The reversible cutting bar allows for extended use, doubling the lifespan before you need to replace it. Small touches like this make the Fiskars trimmer a long-term investment instead of a short-term fix. You can currently find it on Amazon for around $35, with additional shipping costs if you're ordering internationally. Considering its versatility, build quality, and reputation, this trimmer is well worth the price. If you're tired of uneven cuts, frustrating blade slips, and flimsy designs, it's time to level up your crafting or office toolkit. The Fiskars Precision Paper Trimmer delivers on its promises and more. That's it for today's product critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with what product you'd like us to review next. See you in the next one.